Have you ever looked at your car and wondered why it still looks old even after a fresh wash and wax? The paint shines, the wheels sparkle, but those faded gray plastic trims around the bumpers, mirrors, and fenders make the entire vehicle look 10 years older than it really is. Dealerships and detailing shops know this secret very well. A few months ago, a friend brought me his 15-year-old SUV. The paint was actually in decent condition, but the black plastic trim had turned chalky gray from years of sun exposure. He was ready to spend hundreds of dollars replacing the trim pieces. Instead, I showed him a few household item tricks that transformed those faded plastics in less than an hour. The difference was so dramatic that neighbors thought he had installed brand new trim. Today, I'm going to reveal 11 best household methods to restore your car's plastic trim and make it look new again. Stick until the end, because I will also reveal a $1 liquid that will instantly turn your faded trim like new again. Let's get started. Trick number 11, the heat gun trick. Most people think faded plastic trim is permanently ruined, but in many cases, the original color is still hiding beneath a layer of oxidation caused by years of UV exposure. Plastic surfaces on vehicles parked outdoors can reach temperatures exceeding 150 degrees Fahrenheit, which accelerates this fading process. In this case, a heat gun works as a game changer. A heat gun works by drawing oils trapped beneath the surface back to the top layer and instantly restores much of the trim's original dark appearance. To restore your trim using heat gun, thoroughly clean the trim first. Now hold a heat gun or hair dryer about 6 to 8 inches away and slowly move it back and forth across the surface. Within seconds, you will often see the gray plastic turn black again. Never hold the heat in one spot for more than a few seconds because excessive heat can permanently warp the trim. Many professional detailers use this technique before applying a protectant because it can make even 15-year-old trim look years younger. Trick number 10, boiled linseed oil. This old-school method has been used for decades by automotive enthusiasts. Boiled linseed oil can penetrate dry plastic and temporarily restore its dark appearance. Unlike many temporary dressings that simply sit on the surface, linseed oil can penetrate deeper into weathered plastic. To perform this method, place a small amount of linseed oil on a microfiber cloth and spread a very thin coat over the trim. Allow it to absorb for 10 to 15 minutes before buffing away any excess. The result is often a deep, rich black finish that can outlast many quick-fix methods. Enthusiasts have used linseed oil for decades on everything from wooden tool handles to automotive trim because of its protective properties. Many users report results lasting several months rather than several weeks. Considering that replacement trim pieces can easily cost hundreds of dollars, this simple treatment can provide one of the highest cosmetic returns on investment in the entire automotive world. Trick number 9, olive oil. Faded plastic looks gray and chalky because ultraviolet radiation causes photooxidation, a process that breaks down the underlying polymer chains and creates a rough, microscopic surface texture that scatters light instead of absorbing it. Olive oil acts as a short-term cosmetic filler because its natural lipids temporarily match the refractive index of unoxidized polypropylene and instantly creates the optical illusion of a deep, dark factory finish. To use this trick, first wash and dry the trim completely. Now place a few drops of olive oil on a microfiber cloth and overlap circular motions to mechanically force the oils deep into the microscopic pits of the weathered substrate. Once the entire component exhibits a uniform color transformation, let it rest for 60 seconds to settle into the microvoids. Finally, take a completely separate, clean, dry microfiber cloth and buff the surface with heavy downward pressure to pull off every remaining drop of greasy excess oil. The transformation is often immediate, making trim appear darker and healthier. Trick number 8, petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly has been used for more than 150 years as a protective coating because of its ability to seal and condition surfaces. Because petroleum jelly is a heavy, semi-solid mixture of hydrocarbons derived from oil refining, therefore, its molecular structure allows it to penetrate degraded plastic far better than plant-based oils. Start by cleaning the trim thoroughly and allowing it to dry completely. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly using a microfiber applicator and gently massage it into the surface. Allow it to sit for about 15 minutes so the plastic can absorb the oils. Then wipe off the excess with a clean cloth. Many enthusiasts are shocked by how dramatic the improvement can be, especially on older vehicles. It's one of the cheapest trim restoration methods available and requires almost no specialized tools. Trick number 7. Baking soda. Sometimes trim is not actually faded as much as it is covered with years of oxidation, wax residue, and embedded dirt. Before restoring plastic, many professional detailers focus on removing this contamination first. Mix baking soda with water to create a thick paste and gently scrub the trim using a soft brush or microfiber cloth. The mild abrasive action helps remove oxidation without aggressively damaging the surface. After rinsing and drying, many owners notice that the trim already looks significantly darker. This is because the true color was hidden beneath layers of contamination. In some cases, a proper cleaning alone can restore 30 to 40% of the original appearance. That's a remarkable improvement from a product that costs only pennies per use. Trick number 6. Black shoe polish. Many professional car flippers focus on appearance improvements because visual upgrades often provide the highest return on investment. A vehicle that looks newer can sometimes command hundreds of dollars more than an identical vehicle with faded trim. Here, the black shoe polish acts as a lifesaver. It works because it contains pigments that help restore color while also masking small imperfections. To use this method, thoroughly clean the trim and allow it to dry completely. Apply a thin coat of black shoe polish with a microfiber applicator and work it evenly across the surface. Allow it to dry before buffing lightly with a clean cloth. The result is often a rich, uniform black finish that dramatically improves the vehicle's appearance. While not a permanent solution, but it can last surprisingly well when applied properly. For less than the price of a fast food meal, this trick can make an aging vehicle look years newer. Trick number 5. Toothpaste. Many people assume trim is permanently faded, when in reality, studies suggest that up to 50% of discoloration comes from surface oxidation and embedded grime, rather than true plastic damage. Toothpaste acts as a mild abrasive that helps remove this oxidized layer. To perform this method, use plain white toothpaste without gels or colored additives. Apply a small amount onto a soft brush or microfiber cloth and gently scrub the trim in circular motions. Continue scrubbing for about 2 to 3 minutes per section for best results. Once cleaned, the trim often appears significantly darker even before any dressing is applied. This makes toothpaste one of the most effective preparation methods in DIY restoration. It works especially well on heavily textured trim where dirt accumulates over years. Trick number 4. Activated charcoal powder. Activated charcoal is widely used in filtration systems because of its high surface area and strong absorption properties, but it also works as a temporary cosmetic enhancer for plastic. Its fine black particles help reduce light reflection from oxidized surfaces that make trim appear darker. To perform this method, take a small amount of activated charcoal powder and lightly apply it using a dry microfiber cloth. Work in small sections so the coverage remains even and controlled. Gently rub it into the trim so the particles settle into surface texture. The result is an immediate deepening of color that can improve appearance by roughly 20 to 40% visually. However, it is temporary and should be considered a visual enhancement rather than a permanent restoration. Trick number 3. Ceramic trim coating. Many people think ceramic coatings are only for paint, but specialized trim ceramic coatings have become one of the most effective long-term restoration solutions available today. Unlike traditional dressings that gradually wash away, ceramic coatings bond directly to the plastic and create a protective layer that resists UV rays and oxidation. To perform this method, thoroughly clean the trim and remove any old dressings. Apply the ceramic coating using the supplied applicator and spread it evenly across the surface. Now, allow it to flash according to the manufacturer's instructions before leveling any excess product with a microfiber towel. As the coating cures, the trim develops a richer, darker appearance. One reason detailers love ceramic coatings is that they reduce maintenance because dirt and water are less likely to stick to the surface. Trick number 2. Coconut oil. Here is a $1 liquid, coconut oil. Coconut oil consists of roughly 90% saturated fatty acids, primarily lauric acid. Chemically, this gives it a slightly more stable, tighter molecular structure than olive oil, Like other oils, it matches the refractive index of the damaged plastic, hiding the micro cracks that scatter light and make the trim look gray. To execute this method safely, take a very small amount of coconut oil and warm it slightly between your fingers until it softens. Apply it using a microfiber cloth in circular motions so it spreads evenly across the trim. Allow it to sit for about 5 minutes so it can penetrate surface pores. Then buff off excess oil to prevent dust buildup. The plastic will immediately look darker and smoother, almost like it has been conditioned. However, overuse can leave a greasy residue, so thin application is critical. This trick is popular because it costs almost nothing and delivers instant cosmetic improvement. Trick number 1. Plastic restoration dye for permanent color revival. When trim is extremely faded or sun-damaged, no dressing or oil will bring it back permanently. That's where plastic restoration dye comes in, and it is one of the most powerful solutions available. Unlike surface coatings, restoration dye actually bonds with the plastic and permanently recolors it. Professional detailers often use this method when preparing cars for resale because it can increase visual appeal dramatically. To perform this trick, begin with a deep cleaning process using a degreaser to remove all wax, oil, and contamination. Allow the trim to dry completely before starting. Apply painter's tape around the trim to protect surrounding paintwork. Then use a foam applicator or brush to apply a thin, even layer of restoration dye. Allow the first coat to dry for 10 to 15 minutes before applying a second coat if needed. Most products require at least 2 layers for a uniform finish. Once fully cured, the trim will have a deep, factory-like black appearance that can last several years. Some high-quality dyes have been tested to resist UV fading for over 3 to 5 years under normal conditions. The bottom line is, the global car detailing industry is worth billions of dollars, yet some of the most effective trim restoration methods cost less than $2 and can be completed in under 30 minutes. In fact, restoring faded trim is one of the fastest ways to make an older vehicle look newer because the human eye naturally notices contrast between shiny paint and chalky plastic. Before spending hundreds on replacement trim pieces, try these methods first. I will see you in the next video.